Christmas morning 2020, I was awakened from calls from my clients that an explosion had taken place in downtown Nashville. Like most of the country, I turned on the news to find the entire block of 2nd Avenue was completely devastated by a bomb that exploded in front of the AT&T building. You never know what to expect when you arrive at a catastrophe situation. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've worked every major catastrophe event, hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, freezes, and I have to tell you, what we found when we arrived completely rocked us. The bomb went into the air and into the ground and caused damage not only to the buildings and the roof and the windows, but also caused damage to the basements, the foundations, and the sewer mains. Even blocks away, we have windows that have been tweaked, frames that are damaged, nail pops, floors that have separated. So what we see around us is the major damage that you would think, of course, insurance companies are going to pay for this. Unfortunately, the responsibility falls back on the building owner to prove the damages. And while it should be the other way around, while we think the insurance company should come and do a detailed and thorough investigation and pay what's owed, oftentimes it doesn't happen that way. Our team has been able to be here and document all of the damage. We've been able to use film, recent technology such as Matterport, thermal imaging to really find all of the damages that exist on these buildings. For us, it's a matter of finding every little thing that could possibly be covered under the claim, to document in a way that an insurance company understands to get you paid what you're owed when something like this happens. When I look back at the hundreds of millions of dollars that we've recovered in insurance proceeds for our clients through the years, and the expert team that we've assembled here in Nashville, I know that our clients are in the best position possible to recover every dollar that they're owed for their insurance policy. It really makes me feel good that we could be here to help in this difficult time.